Hello. So you want to learn to carve. That's terrific, and you've come to the right place, because what we've got for you here is an introductory course in traditional European wood carving. That's the sort of carving that I do. We'll use just a few tools, a few ordinary carving tools, and we'll start by creating this sample board. The sample board contains cuts and ways of holding and lots of techniques that you'll be using again and again as a wood carver. And from here we'll move on to your first relief carving. This is your first proper carving, a simple design, but again contains a lot of those techniques. And then from this low relief carving you can then move on to the rest of the site, because Wood Carving Workshops has a lot of beginners projects and beginners advice. You'll also be able to download this document here. This download, which I really suggest you print off, is a sort of manual for this course. It contains notes, it contains suggestions of where to go further, things like that. So like a little checklist at times. We've got about 3 hours of lessons here for you, and I think a good idea would be for you to get comfortable, sit down and watch the whole thing from beginning to end. And when you've done that, you'll have a good idea of the course and where we're going and how it's all put together. Then you should actually go and do the course. You should dig in, get yourself carving tools and actually do it. Because there's only one way to learn to carve, and that's actually to carve. We've got enough material here for a long weekend, probably 3 days, something like that, if you just went at it. But it's not an end gaining. You're learning skills, and these will develop as you go on as a wood carver. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the course. I hope you find that wood carving is something you feel happy with, comfortable with, and would like to take it further. And I'd like to wish you a lot of joy and success with it.